The world of work is undergoing some seismic shifts. Almost every week brings headlines about major companies slashing jobs. Microsoft plans to cut around 15,000 employees in 2025. Intel is on track to shed roughly a quarter of its workforce within a single year as it restructures. Even Google has let go of hundreds of employees from its device and platform teams. The why behind these layoffs point to a changing landscape. Companies are streamlining operations and many are investing heavily in automation and artificial intelligence. In fact, according to the World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs Report 2025, employers globally anticipate big changes in the balance of jobs. By 2030, about 170 million new jobs could be created, but 92 million current jobs may be displaced. A net growth of 78 million jobs, but with massive churn in labor market. Crucially, 40% of employers also expect to reduce their workforce wherever AI can automate. Now, take a moment and let that sink in. Nearly half of the companies are basically saying, if a robot can do it, we will likely have a robot do it. The traditional career path of go to college, get a job, settle in for 40 years is fading faster than your Snapchat stories. So if you're around 20 years old and looking at the road ahead, it's normal to feel a bit anxious. The rules of the games are changing, but it's not all doom and gloom, since the same forces disrupting the jobs are also creating new opportunities, and you can absolutely thrive in this era of AI with the right approach. So, in this video, we'll cover 5 things you should do to future-proof your career and ride the wave of AI revolution. Let's jump right in. First, learn AI fundamentals. Understanding the basics of AI is as essential as computer literacy. How data is used, what algorithms and models do, how AI thinks with prompts is the bare minimum. You don't need to be a PhD in machine learning, but you do need to grasp core concepts so you can leverage AI effectively. For example, knowing how large language models are trained on vast datasets can help you craft better prompts and get results you want. Having some AI literacy means you can go from just using AI tools to actually building or customizing them. If you are wondering why it matters, in 2024 alone, about 6,28,000 job postings required at least one AI related skill, 1.7% of all listings. This is up from just 0.5% in 2010. In other words, employer demand for AI skills has more than tripled in just a decade. And it's not just for engineers. Even in non-tech roles, AI is becoming part of the workflow. A recent survey found nearly 27% of US workers have used generative AI on the job. By learning AI fundamentals, you will understand how these tools work and be able to use them creatively rather than feeling threatened. And if you're worried where to get started, start with beginner-friendly generative AI courses online. In fact, Analytics Vidya has multiple free courses on generative AI to help you get a grip on the Gen AI world. You can click the I button above to access these courses. Next, build digital leverage. We are in the era where one either multiplies their productivity with automation and code or just stays redundant. And this is exactly what digital leverage is, doing more work in less time. That's the new mantra. This doesn't mean you must be a master programmer. With basic coding skills and good no-code tools knowledge, one can dramatically amplify what they can accomplish in a single day. The idea is to automate repetitive tasks and integrate the apps you use so that routine work happens automatically in the background. This way, you free up time and energy for higher level creative or strategic work that truly requires your attention. Third, Strengthen your human skills. In an age of smart machines where repeated tasks can be automated, your uniquely human abilities become your competitive moat. Skills like critical thinking, storytelling, creativity, leadership, negotiation, and emotional intelligence are what AI can't easily replicate. These are the capabilities that allow you to define problems, inspire others, build relationships, and make nuanced decisions. This claim is strengthened by the fact that over 85% of Gen Z and millennials said soft skills like communication, empathy, and leadership are even more vital to long term success than technical AI skills. Strengthening these soft skills, which are really power skills, will set you apart in the job market and workplace because they enable you to do what AI alone cannot. Infuse work with human judgment, context, and empathy. Number 4. Experiment with side projects. In the AI era, side projects offer one of the best ways to learn and discover new opportunities. The barrier to creating something, whether it's an app, blog, YouTube channel, or even a small online business, has never been lower, thanks to the affordable and accessible AI tools. In the past, launching a project often required significant money, technical expertise, or manpower. Today, many tools are free or inexpensive, and AI can automate tasks that used to require hiring help. This allows young entrepreneurs to experiment quickly, applying and building skills with minimal risk. Let's take an example. Let's say a 20-year-old wants to start a small online business selling custom t shirts. 4 to 5 years ago, they would have needed to hire a designer, a developer, and spend money on marketing. In 2025, with generative AI tools, they can create their own logo and t shirt designs for free, set up an online store using no code platforms, and use AI to generate product descriptions and social media posts. In just a week, their mini business is live with minimal investment and they are learning key entrepreneurship skills along the way. Even if the store earns only a bit of pocket money or eventually closes, they will gain valuable business design and marketing experience by the time they are 21. Lessons that many business school students take years to learn. Moreover, side projects can open doors. Employers love candidates who take initiative and demonstrate practical experience. And who knows, their side hustle might even turn into a full time business. Number 5. Stay adaptable and make lifelong learning a habit. Consider how quickly AI has advanced since 2022, that is, when ChatGPT launched. New AI models, platforms, and features are emerging every few weeks, not years. Entire new career fields like AI ethicist have popped up within a few year or two. This pace of change is unprecedented, and it's not just AI. The overall half life of skills is shrinking. Experts estimate that the average learned skill has a half life of less than 5 years now, and in tech fields, it's often more like 2 to 3 years. In other words, half of what you know today might be obsolete or less relevant 5 years from now. By 2030, employers expect about 39% of core skills needed for jobs will be different from what they are today. That's almost 2 out of 5 skills changed. These stats shout loudly that the only constant in the AI era is rapid change. To thrive, you must cultivate adaptability and a commitment to continuous learning. In practice, this means always be ready to learn, unlearn, and relearn as technologies and industries shift. A mindset of lifelong learning will help you be agile and relevant no matter how the landscape changes. Think of it as future proofing yourself. Instead of relying on any one skill or knowledge area, You are relying on your ability to gain new skills throughout life. So, the rapid evolution of AI is undoubtedly reshaping the workspace, creating a future that favors adaptability and continuous learning. To thrive in this new landscape, don't just react to change, anticipate it. By following these 5 points, you can create a career that is resilient and dynamic. Side projects are your low risk playgrounds for gaining real world experience, and a commitment to lifelong learning ensures you remain agile. Embrace this era not as a threat but as an opportunity to innovate and lead.